Hi guys, so right now we will be doing the unboxing and setup of this DAHUA video intercom system. So come on, let's get it on. So yun, ang laman ng box niya is syempre video intercom system siya. Meron tayong indoor station tsaka outdoor station. So right now lalabas natin yung outdoor station niya, which is the doorbell. Ito po is 1 megapixel video. So mamaya makikita natin yung paano yung setup. So the other one is the indoor system, parang tablet siya. So upon receiving the doorbell here na may video, so siya naman yung mag-receive niyan. Itong device na to. So this is the indoor station. So next is yung kanyang mga accessories. It comes with the accessories na iba-iba. So mamaya ipopost ko lang yung video, tapos balikan natin yung mga ibang the setup na kailangan for this video intercom system. Okay, so yung video intercom system natin, ito po. So yung indoor station, meron siyang white version and black version. So upon opening, makikita nyo black version siya. So yun. Then the outdoor station naman, makikita nyo is I don't know if may iba pa siyang kulay, pero looks like black lang siya. So let's see. Yun, pause ko muna yung video para makita nyo iba pa detalye sa kanya. Okay, so ito po yung indoor station natin. As you can see, indoor station comes with mounting kit. Outdoor siya, outdoor station pala, sorry. Outdoor station comes with the mounting kit, the device itself, and accessories. So ito PoE ready and wireless ready. Then yung outdoor station natin, indoor station, sorry, nalilito ako. Comes with the mounting kit. Pwede mo siyang i-mount sa wall. Accessories, syempre PoE port, PoE port niya. Then may 12 volts. So both indoor and outdoor station 12 volts. So kung meron kayong supply na 12 volts sa inyong mga security camera, pwede rin siyang gamitin kasi 12 volts din naman yung gamit.